Okay, I'm trying to record this video for the fourth time. All right, thank you so much everybody for watching. Let me do a giveaway in this video, and also I'm going to give you my results for yield farming on Solana for PopCat and WIF, that's the WIF, two most famous meme tokens on Solana. I did 90 days of yield farming, and I'm still doing yield farming. I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to show you my range. I'm going to show you everything, and you're going to see is it worth it or not. 90 days results. Who the heck give you 90 days results? No one. No one. That's why I'm here. I want to show you and I want to teach you, to educate you, is it worth it or not. Also, disclaimer, nothing here in this video is financial advice. Do your own research, make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose. Now, before we go to PopCat, and you will see how much money I earn, how much money I'm making, how much money I put in deposit, when I deposit, what's my range, let's go and let's do a giveaway. Now, I did a video and it's called How Many Profit You Need and all that stuff. That was published on August the 9th. I have 43 comments. Thank you so much for all your comments. What's mean? I ask a question in the comment section. What are your top 3 picks of the tokens? What 3 tokens are your picks? From all 44 comments, thank you so much again. I only have one, very sad, only one comment. This guy, he gave me his picks, okay? Nobody else. And you're going to get 20 freaking bucks. I'm going to send you 20 bucks to you, 20, all right? What's mean? My picks are ASI, Ton, and Matic. I don't know what's ASI, that's crazy, but doesn't matter. Okay, so let's see who you are. I already actually checked. You don't have your address, you need to check. So you need to add your address here, and you're not a bot, you're not bot, but you're not created from a couple of months ago. Well, I don't like that, but well done, and thank you so much. You win $20, congrats. All right, leave your BSC address in your bio. You have 48 hours. Okay, good job and congratulations to you. I'm going to send you, when you leave your address, you have 2 days. If you don't leave your address in 2 days, sorry. Now, so if you want to win again, make sure you listen to the video and you watch to the end, because I'm going to give a clue, maybe a question in some of the next video. I don't know when, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I don't know when, and you need to leave the answer in the comment section. In that way, I'm going to learn that if you listen to me, if you watch the video to the end, or you just leave a comment. So it's not bad, thank you, but if you listen to the end, it's better for my YouTube algorithm. All right, so let's go to PopCat and WIF. PopCat and WIF, that are 2 hot, famous tokens, and I have a great information right here. So check this out. This is my portfolio, track my portfolio, what I'm using from Crypto Lab Research or Underdog Investor Group. I am a member here, and they're sharing this. And you can join for free, join now for free, or join the paid, because they're going to increase the price. By the way, I forgot to mention that. So Crypto Lab Research, they're going to increase the price. I don't know when, but will be very, very soon. They're going to have entry price for everybody who wants to get in. You need to pay like 500 bucks to get in. So make sure maybe you get the grandfather rights. What's it mean? If you join now, and if you say Crypto Phil send you, you're going to get big bonus. The second month, you're going to get a nice kickback, and I'm going to get small kickback. And what's mean? You're going to have the grandfather rights. You will don't need to add the start payments. All right, so let's go. Let's dig up PopCat and WIF. What is PopCat? What is WIF? And how much money we earn? So if you go right here, you will see that the PopCat, when I entry, it was around 90 days ago. What you're going to give you, or just 3 months ago, around the price was around 46 cents. What is a little bit up now, around 20% from now. However, Dog with Head 3 months ago was around 260. Okay, and now it's 170. So this is down around 30-35%, but PopCat is up around 20%. So I went into both. I was farming with Sol, but didn't give me, first was giving me great results, but then the results were not very nice. But PopCat with Sol gave me great results. I'm still farming, and I joined my WIF, and I put in PopCat, and I put in PopCat and WIF. I did some experiment, and then I put all together, and this is my results. So this is all the results. I entry with 2,000. So let's find out how much I entry. So 3 months ago, around 3 months ago, I did entry with 2,170 bucks. You will don't see my face because I'm going to cover the fees if I show my face. So, okay, so I entry with 2,000. I did put 2,170, but not 3 months ago. I started with 1,000 bucks around 2 months ago and 3 weeks ago. All right. So this is all my combination. What I did before yield farming, doesn't matter. 2 months, 3 weeks ago. That's around 90 days ago, 80 days ago. I put 1,000 bucks, and I was farming only with 1,000 bucks. Okay, that's why here you will see I didn't make a lot of money, but I was making 0.8, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. As here I was probably out of range. 3%, 0.2, 0.3. And you will see I was out of range 2 times. Okay, now and then I need to rebalance probably, or I come back in range. Now last week here you will see I was losing money. Why? From 1,200. I went down to 500. So this is when the dip happened right here. So from 98 cents to 37 cents just last week. So what's happened is I add 1,080 bucks plus. So 1,100 I add extra. Why? Because I know that the price was going to go up. So I did DCA, and you will see here the next day when the prices are going up, from 38, I went around 42, 44 cents. And here I got more money and more money and more money. But check the fees. Can you see the fees? Yes, you can see the fees here. So look, the day when that craziness happened in the market, I'm talking about when the market was falling down like crazy, I am going up like crazy, okay? Just like 8-9 days ago when I'm doing this video, I made 6% in this day, almost 3% and almost 2.5% right here. So in only 3 days, I made 10% in fees. 10% in fees. That is the beautiful of yield farming. And you will see today, right now actually, the price is 2,500 right now, my worth, and I made 31 bucks in fees. That is just, this in 2 days by the way. So this is for the last few hours, all right? That is crazy. I think in the last day I made around 20 something bucks, so 0.7% per day. So I'm trying to tell you that in the nutshell, before we go and see my, what's my range and all that stuff, in the nutshell, I want to tell you that till you're waiting for the price to go up and go down and up and down, for the dog with head up and down, more slowly down, I'm earning fees, all right? So I earn around, so my portfolio value is 15% up. However, together with the price and fees, what I earn around 540 bucks fees, what's mean 25% so far, I did earn over around 40% in profit with fees and also price appreciation. Isn't that crazy, all right? So now I can take off 40% and leave the rest of it bank money, but I'm not going to take. And a lot of people will say, Phil, why you didn't sell here? The question is, yes, I did. I actually didn't sell, maybe I sold a little bit from a bull market portfolio, but when do you know when is the top? No one. That's why we need to, that's why what I'm doing is I'm yield farming and taking profits. So all these profits, you will see, I don't think I compound anything back here. So maybe if the price go down again, I'll buy back and I'll get in again. Okay, so let's go and let's check my, what is my range. So my range right here, you will see, let me just put my face, because let me just put my face, there we go. Can you see my face? Yeah. Okay, so let's go and let's see my range. So I have right now 2,490, okay? So it was 2,500 like a minute ago. And my range is between 0.26 to 0.42, okay? What's mean, if you go to PopCat and WIF, what is 24-hour volume is 2.7 million, and liquidity is 1.1 million. That's why I like this pool, okay? What is pretty crazy, to be honest. So my range is around 0.26, we said, till 0.42. So this is my range, minus 20 plus 25, okay? This is WIF per PopCat. So this is my range. I'm going to earn about 1.22, and if you go right here, you will see that this is, pretty much is exactly the same how much you're going to earn. So this is my pending fee. I'm claiming once per week, okay? So this is my pool. If you want to go more narrow, what for me is very risky, because 2 assets, is great, but they're, you can make 1.6%. But I don't want to go more narrow. My range was, to be honest, more wide, around 55-60% wide, and that's why I was earning less percent. And now I narrow like 10 days ago. Just check this out right here. Let me see right here if you can see. Let me just move my face again. So check this out. You will see my range here. I start great, but then was 0.49, 0.5, and then here was 3, was great. But here you will see like 0.2, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, but 0.1. And then from here I change my range, and now I'm earning over 1%, 6%, 2.7. This was the crazy day. Now it's 0.5, 0.7 today. Okay, so I'm trying to tell you, more narrow range you have, more money you make. However, it's more risky, so be careful with the range. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, what do you think about PopCat and WIF? Do you think it's worth it? Are you yield farming, by the way, any of these meme tokens or not? Because a lot of people are scared. And I will say, don't, it's just play with small amount. Again, not financial advice. Play with 10 bucks, 15, 20 bucks, 100 bucks, whatever it's risk capital for you, and see is it worth it or not. And don't put too narrow range, because let's say if you put 10% with 10%, okay, you're going to make over 2% per day, but that is too risky. If you put, 7 with 7%, check this out, you're going to make 3.5% per day, but that is extremely risky. You're going to go out of range very fast, and you're going to burn yourself, all right? So make sure you understand that. And a lot of people asking, what are you doing when you get out of range? Well, you wait 1 or 2 days, usually they can come back in range, or you just rebalance, and it's a snuggle effect. It's a different topic. All right, so thank you so much. Let me know, what do you think? Do you like WIF, PopCat, and WIF? Nobody talk about PopCat, but is a great performing tokens. All right, thank you. Goodbye. Love you all. Ciao. Leave me a comment.